Kamigalaya Assembly Committee for Empowerment of Women, kala Shimkhia halor ki kambi ain persha ki Khynnah bat ki Longkmie, bat baki ne ki bangat ki apot ki basniu ki Ioh Jingiarap na ka sarkar. Ka chairperson jagani ka committee ka kong amprin lingdo kala pentip baka ne ka committee kan Peit ka bha kamiat ki sangur ki Khynnah ki blasha pelaj na rempu Bein farmhouse. Ban Petru baka Jingiarap pisa kan lech ka kami ki arut ki Khynnah ki blasha penyap dusman halau khapa hanongra. Berkumjuru nak benda ki khun ki kiti jong ki arward ki Longkmie Kiba Shah ha East Jantia Hills district.
Very disturbing to know that in the case of the murder of late Shrimati Shah in East Jantia Hills, she has left behind 10 children, out of which 8 of the children were found to be minors. We were concerned because we thought that it would be necessary to ensure that these children were taken care of by the government through the social welfare department, and we have been given an assurance that a 2-year-old who was a child of the deceased will be taken care of. Her eldest sister, who is 23 years old, who happens to also be married. 3 of the children aged 6, 8, 11 and 13. 4 of the children. Government will be now taking care of these children into institutional homes or the children home, and the government will ensure that these children continue to receive education and are taken care of in their custody till they attain the age of 18. There was an elder boy who is 18 years old, who is also still under the care of his mother, will now be sent for further vocational training in hair styling and cutting. 2 of the children, who are 16 and 14-year-old, one male, one female, will receive a sponsorship from the government through the Department of Social Welfare to ensure that these children continue to be in schools and to ensure that these children do not further face trauma in their lives. In the case of the murder of another young woman, Shrimati Barre, it was decided that Shrimati Meera Barre, the grandmother, will take care of the 8-year-old and 12-year-old sons of late Shrimati Barre. We have requested the Department of Social Welfare to immediately file a report to the Women's Committee to ensure that the financial support to be safe and sound, so that the grandmother, a 62-year-old lady, can do justice to taking care of these 2 minors that have been left behind due to the murder of late Shrimati Barre. We have also been told that in the case of the Nongra children murder, necessary compensations have already been forwarded to the family, and initial 1 lakh has been paid to the family to ensure that the family will be able legal assistance to take the case up in the days to come. We were also concerned for the welfare of the 5 rescued victims in the incident relating to the rescuing of 5 children in West Down Hills, Tura, from the Rimpu Bagan case. All 5 children have been rescued, out of which 3 were between the ages of 17 and 16. 1 was a child of 15, 1 was a child of 13, and 1 was a child of 3 years old. As far as the Women's Committee is concerned, we are only concerned about the welfare of these children who have been rescued from the case at West Garo Hills, Tura. We have been given the assurance that all the 6 children who are in some way or the other linked with this incident are given necessary protection and are also provided with all necessary provisions to ensure that these children continue to live a normal life despite the circumstances which they found themselves at.